Welcome to week 31, assignment 3. This week is typing. Every other week is typing and or vocabulary. Last week we did vocabulary. This week we are doing typing. You should be practicing typing at all times, anytime you can. It is up to you to get better. But what we're going to be doing this week is I want you to understand why you should get better. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website, which you can either copy and paste it or just click here. There are 7 benefits for typing faster and more accurately. So you need to go through here and you need to find the 7 things that they are. Once you have done that, then you will go back and you will do the assignment or the assessment, and it's a matching, and it's basically the benefits, and it is exactly something that comes exactly from that. You only have one time to do this because I know you guys do it, but you guys don't go to the resource, you don't take the time to learn it, you just do it the first time, see what the correct answers are, and then put the correct answers in. This is not about getting the 100, this is about you getting better for the future. So you only get one chance to do it this time. And then that's pretty much it. So if you have any problems or questions, please let me know. Message me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If not, I hope to see you guys soon and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.